some of you guys know I love making smoothies for breakfast or for lunch. Actually, I just like making smoothies all time of day, especially smoothie bowls because they're more filling. So guess what we're doing today? Let's find out. If you guys haven't already guessed by the title of this video, oh my god, I just turned on the stove. Anyways, if you guys haven't already guessed by the title of this video, today we're going to be making a green smoothie bowl. Woo! Okay, I need to stop breaking out into dances. And today I thought I would share one of my many recipes with you guys for a green smoothie bowl, and then I'll show you guys what I do to top them all off and make them Instagram worthy. So let's go. You will need a cup of spinach, 1.5 bananas, one of which should be frozen, a handful of mango chunks, 5 ounces of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of almond butter, toppings such as dates, coconut flakes, chia seeds, granola, and almonds. So now that you have all your ingredients, it's time to blend. Let's go. So first, I'm going to take my large NutriBullet thing and I'm going to put in my 2 handfuls of spinach. Just pack them in there. Now I'm going to take my yogurt. Putting in 5 ounces of Greek yogurt into the smoothie. I'm going to taste for good luck. Yum. So next, we should add our frozen fruits. Then we're going to put in our tablespoon of almond butter. And now it's time to blend this up. Here, I'm shaking it up because it wasn't blending well, so make sure you have a powerful blender. If not, just shake it. What was I doing? I don't know. And now it's all done and it's time to plate this. So first we're going to put in our smoothie in our bowl. I'm making sure I get every bit of the smoothie in there. And now I'm going to start topping it off by putting my bananas in the bowl in a circle. Now you may put the rest of the toppings you chose. I'm going to start off with some dates. Just put as many as you would like. Here I'm putting about 3 dates or 4. Yeah, I'm gonna go for 4. Now I'm putting some of my granola in the middle. I usually have some on the side as well. So this is what it looks like so far. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some almonds. I'm gonna put them in between the bananas and the dates. Perfect. Now I'm gonna put some coconut flakes. You can put as much as you like. I know some people don't like coconut, so you can even leave it out if you would like. I also have some coconut on the side with my granola because I like it so much. Now I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon or a little less of my chia seeds. So I found some of my goji berries and I'm gonna add these on the top for a pop of color. Here is the final product. It's ready for Instagram. Hey guys, thank you guys for watching and I hope you guys enjoyed that green smoothie bowl recipe and try it out for yourselves. If you do, please post a picture on Instagram and tag it with #CapeJazz. So please stay tuned next week for my next week's video. Subscribe down below. I'm also leaving my social media names on that side and you can watch my previous video right here. Ooh. So thank you guys so much for watching and bye. We're jazzing our way out of the video.